In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to ChatGPT. Before we start, here's the big picture. We're going to open your profile menu in ChatGPT, head into Settings, find the Apps area, search for Zoom, and connect it. I'll walk you through each click slowly so you can follow along confidently. First, look to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. You should see your profile button there, usually your avatar or initials. Click that to open the profile menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you manage preferences for your account and workspace, and it's the place where integrations are controlled. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Click Apps to view tools that connect with ChatGPT. This is where integrations live, and it's exactly where we need to be to add Zoom. Next, click Explore Apps, or, depending on what you see, Add More. Both options take you to the same catalog where you can browse and install integrations. Once you're in the catalog, look for the search field at the top. Click into the search field, type Zoom, and press Enter. You should now see the Zoom app appear in the results. Select the Zoom app, then click Connect. When you do this, an authorization flow may open. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You might be asked to sign in to your Zoom account, review what access is being requested, and confirm. Take a moment to read each prompt and continue when you're comfortable. If a confirmation window pops up, keep the tab open until you see that the connection is complete. Interrupting this step can cause the connection to fail, so give it a moment to finish. When the prompt's complete, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT, and the Zoom app should show as connected. If anything doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, don't worry. Interfaces can shift slightly, but the overall flow is consistent. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore, or Add More, search Zoom, Connect, and then follow the instructions on screen until you see the confirmation. That's all there is to it. You've connected Zoom to ChatGPT by opening your profile menu, heading into Settings, choosing Apps, exploring the catalog, searching for Zoom, clicking Connect, and completing any authorization prompts. You're ready to move forward and make the most of this integration.